Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, today our page is page number 66. On page 66, first of all put date at the top. 6th 5 20 20. Students, here we have activity. Do you know the meaning of activity? Let me tell you. Activity is a thing that a person or a group does or has done. Addition of three numbers. Students, do you remember what is addition? Addition is a process of calculating two or more numbers. Now we are going to calculate three numbers. Question number 1. Write the sum of the three numbers in the center of each triangle. Look for groups of 10. One has been done for you. Here we have an example. Here we can see a triangle. Students, can you see? A triangle has three corners and each corner has a number 33, 17 and 9. We have to add these three numbers and write answer in the center. Students, here is 33 plus 17 is equal to 50. 50 has 5 groups of tens. Now we are going to add 50 in 9. 50 plus 9 is equal to 59. We got our answer and the answer is 59. Write it in the center of the triangle. Students, here we have point A. At point A, we have a triangle and each corner of the triangle have a number. We have to add these three numbers and write answer at the center of the triangle. Students, for this we need a rough paper. We will do our rough sum here. First of all, we have to add 37 and 21. Right here, 37 plus 21. Now students, 3 tens, 7 ones, 2 tens and 1 ones. Students, we know we have to add the ones first. 7 is bigger, so point a one little bit dot here. Then count towards 7. 7, 8. Right here, 8. Now 3 is bigger, so point two little bit dots here. Then count towards 3. 3, 4 and 5. Right here, 5. We got answer 58. In 58, we have 5 groups of tens and 8 ones. Right here, 58. Now add the third number in 58. Let's find out the third number. It's 9. We have to add 9 in 58. Right here, 9. Students, 5 tens, 8 ones, and here we have just 9 ones. We have to add 9 in 8. 9 is bigger, so point 8 little bit dots at the head of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now count towards 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. We got answer 17. In 17, we have 1 tens and 7 ones. Students, we have to write here 7 first. Then we know we add tens in tens. So we add 5 in 1. 5 is bigger, so point one little bit dot here. Then count towards 5. 5, 6. Right here, 6. Students, we got our answer and the answer is 67. In 67, we have 6 groups of tens and 7 ones. Now write 67 at the center of the triangle. 67. Students, here we have point B, a triangle with three different numbers, 24, 16, 58. We have to add these numbers and write answer at the center. 24, 16. These two numbers we will add first. Right here 24 plus 16. Students, 2 tens, 4 ones, 1 10, 6 ones. Students, we will add ones first. 4, 6. 6 is bigger, so point 4 little bit dots here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now count towards 6. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We got answer and the answer is 10. In 10, we have 1 10 and 0 ones. We have to write here 0 first. Then we have 2 tens, 1 10 and 1 10 also. Students, we have to add these 3 tens. 2 is bigger, so point 1 little bit dot here. Then count towards 2. 2, 3. Here we got 3 tens, but here we have also a 1 10. We also have to add in it. Write 1 little bit dot here, then count towards 3. 3, 4. Right here 4. We got answer and the answer is 40. Write here 40 and add third number in 40. Students, which one is our third number? It's 58. Write here 58. 58 and add 58 in 40. 4 tens, 0 ones, 5 tens and 8 ones. Students, when we add ones, 0 in 8, the answer is same is 8. When we add 4 in 5, 5 is bigger, so point 4 little bit dots here. Then count towards 5. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right here 9. Now students, we got our answer and the answer is 98. In 98, we have 9 tens and 8 ones. Write 98 at the center of the triangle. 98. Point C. Here we have a triangle with 3 different numbers, 13, 26, 7. Students, we have to add these numbers with the help of our rough paper. But we have to add 13 in 26 first. Write here 13. 13 plus 26. 1 10, 3 ones. 2 10 and 6 ones. We have to add these two numbers, but we have to add ones first. 6 is bigger, so point 3 little bit dots here. Then count towards 6. 6, 7, 8 and 9. Write here 9. 2 is bigger, so point 1 little bit dot here. Then count towards 2. 2, 3. Write here 3. We got answer 39. In 39, we have 3 tens and 9 ones. Write here 39 and add third number in it. Which one is our third number? It's 7. Write here 7. Now student, we are going to add 39 in 7. We have to add ones first. 9 ones and 7 ones. 9 is bigger, so point 7 little bit dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now count towards 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Here we got answer 16. In 16, we have 1 10 and 6 ones. Write here ones, 6. Then we have 3 tens and 1 tens. We have to add these two numbers. 3 is bigger, so point 1 little bit dot here. Then count towards 3. 3, 4. We got answer and it's 46. In 46, we have 4 tens and 6 ones. Write answer at the center of the triangle. 46. Point D. Here we have a triangle with three different numbers, 31, 24 and 19. We are going to add these three numbers with the help of rough paper. But we are going to add 31 and 24 first. Right here 31 and 24. 31 plus 24. Now students, 3 tens, 1 ones, 2 tens and 4 ones. We are going to add ones first. 4 is bigger, so point a little bit dot here, then count towards 4. 4, 5, right here 5. Then 3 is bigger, so point 2 little bit dots here and count towards 3. 3, 4 and 5, right here 5. The answer is 55. In 55, we have 5 groups of tens and 5 ones. Write here 55 and add third number in it. Students, which one is our third number? It's 19. Write here 19 and add 55 in it. We are going to add ones first. 5 tens, 5 ones, 1 10 and 9 ones. Students, 9 is bigger, so point 5 little bit dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now count towards 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Write 14 here. In 14, we have 1 10 and 4 ones. Right here, ones, 4 ones. Now we have 3 tens, 5 tens, 1 10 and 1 10. We have to add these 3 tens. 5 is bigger, so point 1 little bit dot here. Then count towards 5. 5, 6, 6 tens. Here we have also a 1 10. We have to add it in 6. So point 1 little bit dot here. Then count towards 6. 6, 7. Here we have 7 tens. 7 tens. Students, we got answer 74. In 74, we have 7 tens and 4 ones. Right here in the center of the triangle. 74. Point E. Here we have 3 numbers. We have to add these numbers with the help of rough paper. We are going to add 12 and 31 first. Right here 31 plus 12. We have to add these two numbers. 3 tens, 1 ones, 1 10 and 2 ones. We are going to add ones first. 2 is bigger, so point little bit dot here, then count towards 2. 2, 3, right here 3. We are going to add the tens. 3 is bigger, so point 1 little bit dot here, then count towards 3. 3, 4, right here 4. Students, we got answer 43. Right here 43 and add third number in it. Now find out our third number. It's 8. Right here 8. Students, 4 tens, 3 ones. Here we have just 8 ones. We are going to add ones first. It is bigger, so point 3 little bit dots here. 1, 2 and 3. Now count towards 8. 8, 9, 10 and 11. Right here 11. In 11, we have 1 10 and 1 ones. Right here ones first. 1. Then we have 4 tens and 1 10. We are going to add these 2 tens. 4 tens is bigger, so point a 1 little bit dot here. Then count towards 4. 4, 5. Right here 5. We got 5 tens. The answer is 51. In 51, we have 5 groups of tens and 1 1. Write it in the center of the triangle. 51. F. Here we have a triangle with 3 different numbers, 26, 10 and 4. We are going to add these three numbers with the help of our rough paper. But students, 26 and 10, we are going to add these two numbers first. So write here 26. 26 plus 10. Students, 2 10, 6 ones, 1 10 and 0 ones. We are going to add ones first. When we add something in 0, the answer is same. So we will write here 6 as it is. 2 is bigger, so point one little bit dot here. Then count towards 2. 2, 3. Write here 3. Students, we got answer. It's 36. Now we are going to add 36 in third number. Write here 36 plus and find out the third number. It's 4. Write here 4 and add in 36. Students, 3 tens, 6 ones, and here we have just 4 ones. We are going to add ones first. 6 is bigger, so points 4 little bit dots here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then count towards 6. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Write here 10. In 10 we have 1 10 and 0 ones. We are going to write here ones first. Then we have 3 tens and 1 10. We are going to add these two numbers. 3 is bigger, so point one little bit dot here. Then count towards 3. 3 and 4. Write here 4. Here we have 4 tens and 0 ones, means 40. We got our answer. Write it in the center of the triangle. I hope I helped you to solve this sum. Put it at the last. 6th, 5th. Students, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.